ones who abandoned you, chasing the love of these humans who made you feel wanted. You tried to be tough, but you're